This is my only car. It's an Evader BX with Stampede tires, and it has a 2400 mAh Wolfpack, 7.2 volts. It's got the regular Duratrax Futaba receiver and Metal Gear servo. It works very well, and a 14-turn motor. And here I have the Profit Plus 2 from Dynamite. It works very well recharging high-powered batteries. Hobbyco 60 watt soldering iron works very well. My very messy desk, where I like to think of ideas for different stuff. This is my supplies. My supplies drawers. It's got all my information stuff and some money. And I have all sorts of tools, but they're all put away. And I have some solder. I use rosin core solder, 6040. It's very good. And let's go outside to see some stuff that I use outside. Okay, this is outside my house, my backyard. I have a disassemble. It's able to be disassembled. It's a ramp. I got about a 5-foot jump off of it, and that was when my car was working. And here is where I have one of my most favorite things about my backyard. I have a driving strip, an off-road driving strip. It's almost like completely finished. Just got a few ways to go, but it'll be done by maybe next February. And y'all want to go outside the gate, and I have the driveway. It goes straight down, and it goes to a straight chute, and I have this small ramp that I put at the end of the driveway, and it goes straight forward. So it makes a nice small jump. Ooh, it's starting to rain. I better get inside. Okay, now this was my stuff for Jonathan Dirt Bike. Hope you liked it, dude. That was for you. See ya.